Welcome, we are Interacoustics, the global market leader in solutions for tympanometric testing. Our solutions are found in most clinics around the world, a fact we consider with great humility. What we are fiercely proud of are our innovative solutions. 50 years of evolution and research into middle ear analysis has focused on refinement of existing procedures and technologies. What we present today is therefore nothing short of a revolution: wideband tympanometry. So far, the limitations such as using only a single frequency to test the middle ear have been tolerated, simply for lack of a better system. At Interacoustics, we started thinking about what it would take to advance the understanding of the middle ear. What was lacking? We've cooperated with the leading researchers in the field, and together we have developed a solution that provides more data and more accuracy. A single measurement is carried out that generates 3D tympanograms for all probe tone frequencies, and all this is presented graphically in one simple procedure. At first glance, this mountain of data may appear overwhelming, but in actual fact, all relevant information is easily accessible, immediately. Traditional measurements of the tympanic membrane and the middle ear's ability to transfer sound energy is limited to single frequency testing. Sound arrives here, strikes a tympanic membrane, and some of it is absorbed towards the inner ear, while the rest is reflected and remains here in the ear canal. Let me illustrate. So far, technology has allowed us to examine single-frequency tympanograms at 226 Hz or 1 kHz when testing infants. However, the middle ear is a multiple-frequency transducer for speech and environmental sounds. This is what we work with today. This is what we will work with in the future. A mountain of data. Wideband tympanometry measures all tympanograms from 226 Hz to 8 kHz in a single fast pressure sweep, using the same procedure as classic tympanometry. Here you see the tympanometric response to all frequencies in a normal ear. The mountain ridge is where we have maximum absorbance, just as we know it from tympanometric peak pressure in classic tympanometry. And here you can directly see the middle ear's ability to absorb sound energy at tympanometric peak pressure or at ambient pressure. And for ease of evaluating this, a simple absorbance graph is available. Middle ear pathologies and abnormalities generate distinctive absorbance landscapes that are easily identifiable and detectable with wideband tympanometry. This means that we are able to distinguish between a number of middle ear conditions simply by studying the absorbance or landscape that is generated in this 3D tympanogram. These can be different pathologies like perforated tympanic membrane, fluid in the middle ear, otosclerosis, disarticulation of the ossicular chain, semicircular canal dehiscence. They all generate specific absorbance characteristics. Besides surgery, this constitutes the strongest and most reliable indication of the actual middle ear condition to date. Won't examiners drown in data, and won't this complicate the analytical and diagnostic procedures? No. The key measurements can be read as easily as they can today. Choose the tympanograms for the frequencies that are to be examined, and all other data is filtered away. The testing procedure remains the same as it is today, but instead of carrying out multiple tests, access is obtained to tympanograms for all frequencies in a single pressure sweep. This simplifies and optimizes the process. In addition to this, we get a clear and easily accessible absorbance graph revealing middle ear conditions and pathologies. This serves as a phenomenal screening tool, and it will help to improve diagnostics, especially in more complex cases. Interacoustics has transferred decades of experience and careful studies into a revolutionary piece of equipment. New territories have emerged for those who wish to push the boundaries of our understanding of the middle ear, or for those who just want more information out of the time spent with patients. We have used evolution to create a revolution. Wideband Tympanometry, a mountain of data.